Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn 2 ways to make your checkout page faster and to optimize it. First thing, access your WordPress dashboard. To access on your browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see this dashboard, okay? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your page. Review the page that is set to be your checkout page. In my case, is the checkout page. Locate this page. And let's start by removing the fields that we do not use. So click into this page right here, this part. Review the right side of my screen. We have address fields, okay? Do you need to know the company of the person? No. Do you need to know to have the address line number 2? No. Do you need to have phone and make it required? This is important, but if you don't need, you can remove it as well. Every single field that you remove will be a code that isn't loaded, a thing that the customer does not need to write up, and it can make the purchasing process faster. So every single thing that you can remove from here, it's good for you, okay? Let me change the style. If you prefer, you can change the style for dark backgrounds. You can show the numbers to make it more useful. Save the change. Now let's focus into another good thing that you can do. Review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins, click on add new submenu. Into the upper right corner of your screen, type cache. Just like this, okay? Cache. You have the Lightspeed cache, the WP Total cache, Fastest cache, WP Super cache, all up to you and to your needs. I like the Lightspeed cache. It's one of my favorites, but there is a lot of good caching plugins. Click on activate. Now go to your this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list that you can see of the present plugins on our site. Here's the Lightspeed cache. Click on its settings. Enable cache, cache for logged in users, cache commenters, cache mobile, save separate cache copy from mobile version. This is up to you. All seems okay. We have TTL. That is also a good thing to do. We have object cache. You can set this as on. You can change the method, but all seems okay. And now, only with these two simple needs and two simple ways, let me just enable the browser cache. And now we are good to go, okay? The checkout process of your store gonna be really faster. And of course, you're gonna do more sales. There is another good things that you can do. For example, adding your site into a CDN like Cloudflare. You can have faster website using a good web hosting. But with these two options, you're already good to go. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.